Jane, how long will you keep hiding in the south? You don't visit people. You don't come out. You don't even dress up like a woman. You don't. You are not happy. You don't even laugh. Even this chicken that's running around your compound is more happier than you. Village life is very peaceful. No. Village life cannot become your excuses. You know, ever since my husband died, everything becomes so quiet. Nothing is interesting anymore. Nothing is exciting anymore. I totally understand. I really do. And that pain is real. But Jane, it's 7 whole years. 7 whole years. You are still alive. You need to continue living. You need to continue living. People in this village talk too much. They talk too much, you know. The way they see things is not the way the city people see it. Here in this village, as a widow, you are not supposed to smile. You are not supposed to be happy anymore. And nothing good should come your way. That is what they believe. Just imagine you moving on so fast. They will think that, you know, you don't love him. Brenda, you know, sometimes I feel guilty for wanting happiness again. Why? People would think that you have gotten over everything. You have forgotten whom you once loved. Healing is not forgetting. And smiling or being happy again is not betrayal. Come on, Jane. Come on. It's not easy. Will somebody truly love me as I am? Will somebody truly love me? Come on, Brenda, please. Listen to me and listen very carefully. You are still beautiful. You are still kind. And you are still lovable. You are still now. Don't fall my hand. Enough. Jane, you are still worthy of companionship. Huh? Of course, not even can. You will find love. You will find companion. Yes. One bad chapter doesn't mean that the whole story is finished. Brenda, you are so funny. But still, do you think anyone can love a village widow? Come on, Jane. You are really funny. Even grandfathers, the old men, they still propose a woman along the street in the church. Even in funerals, the old men still propose to ladies. What are you saying? When they will come and say to you, Jane, you know you are still beautiful. You know, I know them now. I know them. I know the men. Huh? What are you saying? Brenda, think the honest truth in this whole thing, I think I'm so afraid to live again. I'm still scared. I'm still afraid. Starting all over again. Then start small. Start small. Give me that smile. Listen now, tomorrow I'm going to come and braid your hair, okay? Please. It solves 43% of the problem. Please, let me go home. Please leave here. Just go. See you tomorrow.